Hello, my name is Alan from Technology Moments. Welcome to this quick video in which I'm gonna show you very quickly what to expect and what you get when you buy this AC1200 dual band USB 3.0 adapter from BlueShadow. It features a wireless dual band BGN AC wireless connection, which means it is backwards compatible with older networks. As you'll see in a few moments, our tests show exactly what this device can offer. Exactly as the smaller USB dongles, these more powerful USB adapters can be used in a variety of situations, such as an internal upgrade needed, a computer that included only a wireless and/or older connection replacement, your laptop's internal Wi-Fi card no longer works, and you want to avoid opening your laptop, or just a temporary location for which you don't want to lay cable. Even though drivers are included, the device just works by connecting it to any USB port in Windows. There was an isolated situation in which one of our computers started experiencing signal drops and was fixed just by installing the driver. This only happened once, and we had previously installed other drivers which may have caused that trouble. Thanks to the external antenna that claims to be a 5 dBi, range of this adapter was just great. We worked at many distances at different levels that let us really put to the test this device. When close to the access point, working at the 5 GHz band, these were the highest speeds we could achieve with different laptops, which was actually very good and very similar to other adapters that we have tested from very well-known brands. As usual, stability is one of the advantages of AC networks. We took it as far as 17 meters from the AP, different level, and transferred a file and executed a remote desktop connection. All tests successful and saw no interruption when having a remote desktop active, for which, as you may know, requires not a fast connection, but a very stable one. Just keep in mind that if, like us, you connect two UniFi access points, you may notice different top speeds, and channels and bandwidth may need to be tweaked to reach its highest. And this also depends, of course, on the model of the AP that you're connecting to. For example, if you have a router provided by your ISP, speeds may be highest, as those devices are not designed for high user density, but for higher throughput rates. At a close distance from 4 to 6 meters from the AP, we saw the highest data rates, and in this case, without any changes done to the router, which is what most of the users are gonna do: connect and use. Here you can see how closing to the access point or router affects the effective speed of your wireless network. Even connecting at wireless end standard, we achieved very decent speeds, especially comparing it to USB dongles without an antenna. We also used remote desktop with absolutely no issues. As with wireless telephones, signal may vary with just a few inches, especially in wireless N, so playing with the orientation of the antenna may be a good idea to avoid interference. Streaming video from within my network was no trouble at all. We opened several streams simultaneously, and we did not even get close to its capacity. Used it in my power desktop streaming 4K videos in a common basis, and there was a moment I forgot I was using it for my networking and only remembered when I noticed it was not extracting at 10 gigabit per second from my NAS. Browsing the web, of course, is very snappy, as it might be on a wired computer. One important aspect to consider is that these USB adapters load your CPU, and such weight drops once file transfer is finished. Another indication, a good CPU might give you even better performance. Not that you might actually need it, as if you need more speed, you may have to consider switching to a wired connection. Power drawn from the computer was slightly higher than that seen in smaller adapters, and temperature is an indication. However, not much to consider, it is excessive or even high. Performance was just fantastic, and stability is a witness in Wi-Fi. If you're looking to connect walls apart from your AP, this may be the device to use, and if such distance is heavily obstructed, you may want to consider an even more powerful and faster device. Don't forget, however, that your USB adapter is just one half of your connection. The other half is your router or your access point, whichever you have. Okay guys, that was all. Thank you very much for watching this video. We really hope it was of great help if you're considering to buy a fast wireless AC USB adapter. See you next time.